Hi, my name is Elisa Ruiz. I'm from Mexico, and I am part of the Supply Chain Residential Program class of 2025. I was working as a senior material flow engineer at a toy manufacturing plant in Mexico in the high bay warehouse department, where I was in charge of managing the inventory system, defining and improving material flows, and basically just ensuring that materials were available and delivered to their final destination as needed. I wanted to be a part of this program because it's ranked as one of the best in the world at a top university. I still can't believe I had the opportunity to come to MIT. It is also an amazing chance to network with professionals and researchers from around the globe, and surely making long-lasting friends with people whose passions and dreams align with yours. I love that it's a fast-paced, intense program that pushes you to grow without requiring a long break from work, and that focuses not only on academic and technical learning, but on our personal development and the way we contribute to our environment and relationship as well. I genuinely think it will be a transformative experience because it already feels like it. I want to keep exploring supply chain management's field of applications. I knew how it was related to the manufacturing industry and logistics, but now I'm just starting the program and I have seen it applied in things I had never seen before. Since improving the delivery of food to underdeveloped countries or building houses after natural disasters to changing technologies into more sustainable ones, it honestly opened a whole new world of possibilities. I come from a developing country that could benefit from using these methods and technologies to improve basically everything. And I could only dream of being able to contribute to something like this in the future. I've been really inspired by the amazing people I've met here already. They have fed me a mindset that makes me believe anything is possible. So I would love to keep learning from them, thinking outside the box, and dreaming of making things better.